Now we'll discuss cleaning the autorefractor lenses. The autorefractor, if you look at this sheet here, this is a copy of some instructions that are in a special cleaning kit that's in the autorefractor case. And this is to clean the lenses on the autorefractor. Now if you zoom in on this sheet and look at the front of the lens, you'll see, front of the autorefractor, you'll see that it has, this is the actual lens that needs to be in front of the eye. These are simply lenses that are used for positioning left or right, and we turn those off because most people just prefer to select the eye they're going to measure rather than let the instrument flip-flop back and forth. Now the lens cleaning kit has it's in a bag, and you'll see in there some tissue and a special little bottle. Now the reason that you want to clean the lens is it's very important that you get accurate measurements. Now if the lens is dirty, then you may actually get high cylinder. And one of the most common problems is when you're positioning the autorefractor in front of the face of the patient, you end up positioning it so that the lens is right over their nose, and it'll end up pushing the lens up against the tip of their nose. As a result, you get a greasy nose print. The greasy nose print will measure as a lot of cylinder, as if the patient is highly astigmatic, which of course they may not be. And of course, everybody after that, until you clean the lens, will be highly astigmatic. So that's why this procedure needs to be followed. And what you're doing is you're using this little, again, I'll zoom in. Again, you're using this little bottle, and you're spraying some Q-tips. Here they are, Q-tips, with this bottle. And then that will moisten the Q-tips, and then you'll gently wipe the Q-tips over the lens, and then you use a tissue to clean the lens and wipe it dry. And then after you've wiped it dry, you're going to go back and make sure the light, when you look at the lens at an angle, with the light reflecting off the lens, you want to make sure that the lens is now clean.